Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about solving problems involving discount, rate of discount, sale price, and original price. We have the first problem here. A cell phone which costs 9,500 pesos is on sale at a 10% discount. How much will you pay for it if you will buy one? Our given is 9,500 pesos, which is the cost of the cell phone, and it is at a 10% discount. What do we mean by discount? It is the one that we save if we are buying things on sale. So that's the one that we subtract from the original price. But in this problem, we solve the discount by using this formula. Discount over original price is equal to rate of discount over 100, where 100 is a constant number. Our n here is the discount over 9,500 pesos is equal to 10 over 100. How to get the value of n? Just do cross multiplication. That's 9,500 times 10 divided by 100. That will give us 95,000 divided by 100. We just cancel the 4 zeros there. What we have is 950 divided by 1. That gives us 950 pesos. That is our discount. It means this is what we save. We will just subtract it from our original price to get the amount of money that we will pay at the cashier if we will avail the sale. We will pay 8,550 pesos for that cell phone. We have the second question. A chair is being sold at a 15% discount. The sale price is 1,105 pesos. What was its original price? We have our given here. We have the chair which is in 15% discount and the sale price is 1,105. We're looking for the original price. When we say original price, it is equivalent to the 100% of the price or the money that you will pay at the cashier. How about the 1,105? It is the 85% of the original price. Why is that so? Because we have 15% discount. It means we will not pay 15% because we save 15% of the price. To solve this problem, we can make use of ratio proportion. If 1,105 is to 85%, then what is 100% of that number? How to get the value of n? We'll just do cross multiplication. Let's multiply 1,105 times 100 divided by 85. That's 110,500 divided by 85, and we will get 1,300 pesos. That is the original price of that chair. We have another question. Normally, a PlayStation costs 27,500 pesos, but you only want to pay 22,000 pesos. How much discount in percent do you want? We have given the PlayStation which is 27,500 and we're looking for the rate of discount because we only wanted to pay 22,000. We have to find first how much discount we want. That's 5,500. We just subtract 22,000 and 27,500. Then we can set up our proportion. That is discount over original price equals our n over 100. Substitute that, we'll have 5,500 over 27,500 equals n over 100. How to get the value of n? Just do cross multiplication. That's 5,500 times 100 divided by 27,500. That will give us 550,000 divided by 27,500. Just cancel 4 zeros. We have here 5,500 divided by 275. Our answer is 20. That's 20%. That's the rate of discount we want in buying the PlayStation. This time, it is your turn to solve. Please write your answer in the comments section. Our question is, in a department store, an 850 pesos dress is marked save 25%. How much will you save if you will buy the dress? And what is the sale price of that dress? I'll be waiting for your answer. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!